Hello, how are you? In this tutorial, we'll learn how to draw an apple from Grow a Garden. We'll start by drawing the apple peduncle. I didn't even know that part had that name. Very well. We have finished drawing this apple from Grow a Garden, and if you wish, you can color it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all the support you've given me. I send you my regards. Leave me ideas for future videos in the comments, and I'll see you in the next drawing. Take care.